Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am here doing GINA SCHWEPPE's open collaboration for a Dollar Tree gift, or I guess examples of Dollar Tree gifts that are $10 or less. So, I mean, I really don't have a ton of family or a ton of people to buy for on my side, but on Nikki's side I do. However, it kind of worked out pretty good because there are some things that we actually needed, that my mother needed for her kitchen. So I'm just fixing this candlestick here. My mother has a little setup here on her dining room. She won this cornucopia. It's like humongous. So yeah, a lot of things in this house we just look at and don't use. So anyway, I figured I would do this gift for my mom because, you know, obviously I want to be able to gift it to somebody. So that's what I did. I got some things that I knew she would need in her kitchen. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to put a pretty nice gift together for not even $10. So, and then I'm going to show you some other ideas for some smaller gifts, like if it's a coworker, or I know a lot of people that have kids, they have teacher gifts, and it can get costly if you're giving one to every teacher and they have more than one teacher. So first let's get to the main gift. So like I said, I did it for my mother. Now my mom is very particular with how she decorates, and she kind of changes a little something here and there very often. So like for Christmas, I'll give her a gift card to Bed Bath & Beyond or something because she just likes to, I don't know, she gets bored easy, I don't know. However, she's not a baker, she's not one to cook. So if Nikki comes to visit, he does a lot of the cooking, like of actually good food. And I cook, you know, predominantly because she's just not into it. She likes to clean and keep everything clean. She's just not into it. That's why we don't have a lot of the stuff that we need in the kitchen. So she was going to make calzones like a couple of weeks ago, and she's like, I don't have a rolling pin, and she was going to use a water bottle, and I'm like, you can't use a water bottle, it has like all the ridges in it. What are you doing? I said you can use a wine bottle, but my mom is not, you know, a wine drinker anymore, so I said use the olive oil bottle, you know. So I seen her, you know, she had to clean it off, and I seen her use it, so I'm like, all right, keep that noted. A rolling pin is not something we use often, so this is perfect. It's, I mean, honestly, she'll make calzones maybe once a year. Maybe she won't make them for another 5 years. So this was perfect. So for $1, and it is made out of wood, so there's nothing, you know, this will work for exactly what she'll need it for. And then Nikki was, I think we were making from scratch cornbread, and I had no spatula and no scraper to get everything from the bottom of the bowl and off the sides of the bowl. So I seen that Betty Crocker had a scraper. So those were two things that I knew I needed. So I said, you know what, I'm going to work a gift out of it. She desperately needs pot holders. I don't know how she constantly messes hers up. And you want to get ones that are like pretty decent. So first I went with, for the gifting part of it, I went with one of these. I know that these probably aren't the best to be grabbing really super hot stuff while you're cooking. Maybe something that's already out, you know, to take it from the counter to the table or something. It's more just for aesthetics and for, you know, the gift. It says dream, peace, and imagine. It has the colors of her kitchen. She's not one like she won't hang it anywhere, but it does match. And I think she'll probably use this, like maybe she'll swap it for the springtime. Right now I think she has two square black ones. Then I did get one with the neoprene that is, you can actually really use. Like this works good. It does have the pocket. So that was the two pot holders, because I know we really needed this one here to be able to utilize and get hot food. She's big on always having something to put any hot plates, you know, any of her hot food on. So I got one of these silicone pot holders. I don't anticipate that she'll use it for a pot holder. It's a little bit weird to grip, which is why I found this silicone glove. So I thought this would be perfect since, in essence, this is not the most functional. At least if she wants to just get rid of the black set, or if she's washing them, she will have two, one for each hand, that will actually protect the heat. So, like I said, this is more for design, but I anticipate this would be something she would put something hot on the counter. I don't know. I don't even know that I would feel comfortable using it as a pot holder. So, I'm just saying it goes with the silicone situation. So, that's $4. And the two things that she really needed is another $2, so that's $6. And I noticed her scissors are not the greatest, so I tried to also go with like the Betty Crocker red or white. So I got a pair of the Betty Crocker scissors because I felt like the ones she had they just need to go in the garbage. And you could get them for $1. And if you're cutting any type of meats or anything, to me, after sticking them in the dishwasher for a while, they do tend to, rust up. I don't know if these say that they won't or not. It says hand wash recommended, towel dry. So, whatever, she has an extra pair. And then when I was going to make the cornbread, I seen we didn't have like any measuring cups. We only have like the Pyrex. So this is a cup, a half a cup, a third, and a fourth. And it also gives you in milliliters. That's what I was looking for, something to measure in milliliters, and we didn't have that. So this does measure both. So what do we have? $4 of utensils. 4, 6. So $8 altogether. Now, I got my mother a really nice spoon rest for her stove. It's like a rooster. But she does like to have nice, pretty coasters in her bedroom. These are going to go in her stocking, so it's not part of this $10. But they have a lot of these that you can get like the sets. They have Laugh Often, Life is Beautiful. I have these, and then I actually picked this one up for myself. So they do have more farmhousey ones. Do All Things with Love, and it looks like it has wood. So this would be a nice gift for anyone. You could get 4 coasters and tie it up with a gift card or some lottery tickets, depending on, you could get a man a set of coasters. I wouldn't say I would do all the gold, but this to me is unisex. If he has his own apartment or something, you could stack up 4 of those and give a gift card to some place to eat, some place to order to eat, or lottery tickets are always good. So, and then of course, a safe gift is to get somebody a mug. Now, I got this for my mom's stocking because red cardinals symbolize, they're huge in this family. She has an entire curio cabinet over there of all things that I've bought her over the years. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that entire cabinet is full of Lennox, and a lot of the Lennox I had gotten her was the holiday greetings with the red cardinal, and then of course other odds and ends. So that represents my grandmother, her mom, so it's super important to us. So I seen this and I was like, I just got to get it for her. It has the red cardinal, it says Noel. She likes to have her coffee every morning. So I don't know, I'll try to fit it in her stocking, but even if you could get one of these with a gift card to Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, and it's a nice gift for like $10. It's really not bad. So what I intend to do is try to fit what I can. It's not going to all fit in here, so I will fit like the larger pieces in the larger pot holder. Probably just do like the scraper and the scissors and the rolling pin in here. And I think I'm going to, when I put both of the pot holders full together, I think I'm going to wrap them in like the cellophane that you can maybe blow dry together. I have a large bag, but I don't think that one blow dries. It's from the Dollar Tree. I think I might just get the roll. So I'm not going to wrap this yet, because honestly, I might maybe put her gift tag, I don't know, gift card someplace. So in this one, maybe I will try to put the other pieces here as best I can. You want to try to make it look pretty, obviously, but maybe all the red stuff we will put in here. This little glove is adorable, but it's a little bit hard to Okay, so that's not terrible. I don't want to stretch it out too much. I wonder if maybe going this way. And you can hang these. Not that... My mother's real particular. This house is more for looks and absolutely non-functional. I tell her, like, what would you do if, you know, when your grandkids come here? Like, what are you going to do? Because all this has to go. There's stuff everywhere and you can't touch it. It's just to be pretty. So, anyway, I think, yeah, I'm going to do, like, one full with all the red and the longer one here. Now, I'll probably put some tissue paper at the bottom to heighten this up so it doesn't all, because this scissor and scraper will probably start sinking. So I will put some tissue paper or whatever, a plastic bag to give it some height. And then I think I will like layer the two and wrap them in the plastic. And then Dollar Tree has so many nice ribbons and beautiful gift tags. Not that I need another gift tag, but these are adorable. See, like, when it comes to gift bags and stuff, I don't want to give away, like, the nice ones, and I just let them accumulate year after year. Is that bizarre? And if I do, I give them, like, within the house so I can take them right back. So, like, this gift tag, this ain't going nowhere. This sucker is going nowhere. I'm not giving him away. But these are beautiful, to and from on the back. And, you know, it'd be nice hanging from the top. They have so many different ribbons. This one says peace, love, and joy, and it's just gold and white. And this one is actually, I think, maybe for DIY. It's like a, what is that, like iridescent sparkly. So there's so many options, or you could just use regular ribbon that you curl and call it a day. So there's so many options that you can give. Gina had showed something for one of her, I think, girlfriend's boyfriends. She did like a beer glass, and it had recipes for different cocktails, and then she also put it in a pot holder, and a pair of socks that were like a, you know, a cute, funny pair of socks. Unfortunately, at my Dollar Tree, their socks and their scarves are null and void. I have not seen one buffalo check anywhere, not any of the cute socks at all. And I always get a pair of Christmas socks every year. I get a pair there, like it'll be like the Santa buckle or like an elf. And I have not found any yet, so I don't know. But that would be adorable for a guy. A cute pair of funny socks, a beer mug. I mean, you can always add to it, but that is adorable. You know, some coasters, you know, especially if he's a bachelor. Get him all that, like, guy-looking stuff for his kitchen. And, you know, because guys don't think about that. So that's, like, another option. So that is my collaboration and your Dollar Tree holiday gift for $10 or under. So hopefully it was helpful, and let me know what you think about the gift. I think she'll appreciate it. It's stuff that she absolutely needs in the kitchen, so I think it'll be good. And I'm going to link Gina's channel below, and I believe tomorrow the 13th she will have a playlist of everyone who participated in the open. It's an open collaboration, so you'll get to see everybody's videos and get a bunch of different ideas from Dollar Tree. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It absolutely helps the channel. Go check out Gina and everyone else in the playlist. Show everybody some support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye.